Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 30th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index and the DXY. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out the free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So been a pretty sideways, really pretty much 2 weeks for the US dollar, pretty much since they announced that the tariffs are going to be delayed, really. But anyways, I mean, it still kind of looks to me like a potential wave A. It still looks like a potential wave B, and I still think there's a good chance we could go up to like the 50, maybe 61% for a wave C. Now, this is very, 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 very sideways price action, but I bet that there is a potential five waves right there, like a wave one. Maybe we are now in like a wave two, and maybe it's going to take off to the upside, make a wave three, a wave four, and a wave five. We do have some pretty decent dollar news coming out today. We got GDP for the dollar, and we have PCE, price index for the dollar also. So definitely a pretty good chance that we will get a pretty good push up. And if the dollar pushes up, you have to expect the same type of move on all the dollar pairs themselves. Just keep in mind that the trend is definitely our friend and the daily time frame, and up is definitely 100% still in a downtrend, which means this move up is very likely just a pullback within a large higher time frame downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.